Welcome back to Automatrix, where we dive into the hottest cars of the future. Today we're talking about the all-new 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This isn't just a car, it's an absolute beast combining jaw-dropping power, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable muscle car presence. The 2025 Challenger Hellcat continues the legendary Hellcat tradition, but with some serious upgrades. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine that cranks out insane horsepower. With over 800 horsepower, this Hellcat is built for pure performance, pushing the limits of what a muscle car can do. Whether you're at the track or on the open road, the acceleration and speed are downright thrilling. But Dodge hasn't just focused on performance. The 2025 Hellcat also gets a refreshed design that's more aggressive than ever. The front end is bold with sharper lines, new LED headlights, and a menacing grille that lets everyone know this car means business. The wide-body stance gives it an even more commanding presence, making it impossible to ignore. Inside, the Hellcat is all about driver-focused technology and comfort. You get a modern, high-tech cockpit with a massive touchscreen, premium materials, and a suite of performance features. The seats are designed for those who love a thrilling ride, and there's plenty of space to feel comfortable even at high speeds. Now let's talk handling. Dodge has made sure this beast isn't just about straight-line speed. The 2025 Hellcat comes with an upgraded suspension system, making it more agile and responsive than previous models. Whether you're tearing through corners or hitting top speeds, the Challenger Hellcat stays planted and connected to the road. Of course, we can't forget the sound. The exhaust note is pure Hellcat, with that signature growl that tells everyone you're driving something special. Whether you're idling at a stoplight or pushing it to its limits, that roar will turn heads and send chills down your spine. In terms of tech, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat is packed with features that enhance the driving experience. From advanced driver assist systems to custom driving modes that let you tailor the car to your exact preferences, Dodge has ensured this car offers the perfect balance of raw power and modern convenience. So if you're a muscle car enthusiast looking for insane performance in a car that commands attention, the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat should be at the top of your list. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Automatrix for more automotive content, and drop a comment below telling us what you think of the 2025 Challenger Hellcat. See you in the next one.